Hello, Legend Adventurers. Today we are playing Party Animals once again. You know, uh, it's been a while since I played the game, and it's just been animations. I played a lot of games on Steam. I played Portal 2. I played Lego Star Wars, the Skywalker version. I played a bit of Stray. I played It Takes Two, and a bit of fiction. Yeah, that's it so far. Wow. Oh, and I did play Undertale as well. Okay. Jeez. Whoa! My goodness. Gosh, help me! Ah! Oh, and I do like One Piece now. I'm on the Skype, arc. Oh wow. But that doesn't matter. They're the animals. Oh my, jeez. Goodness. Yes. Not you. No! Not you! No! Oh. Oh. Goodness. Jeez, what's wrong with a moose? Ah! Oh. Jeez. Oh my, whoa! Ugh. Okay. Goodness. Ooh, crocodile. Oh, sure. Oh, whatever you are. Oh, wow. What? No. Move! Get away. It's gonna die anyway. Crocodiles can't live in the winter. They live on the water. Might as well come live in the cold. Oh. Let's no, not see that. Nope. See everyone. I didn't even see the ball. I mean, I'm in second. I just kicked her off. No! No! Off! No! Whoa! Oh! Whew, that was close. Whew. Oh, so much frames. Using frames. Ah! Oh! No! Oh! died. I died. Oh, that won't stop me if I'm throwing a bomb. That won't stop me if I'm doing a bomb. That's losing its frames. Oh, okay. Okay. Ah! Ah! Goodness. Leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Oh my. Ah! Goodness. Oh. Ah! Oh my. Get away. Oof, that was close. Could have froze to death. Ah! No. Ah! Get me away, you builder cat! No! You monkey! Oh my! Oh! Whoa! He has super energy! Gosh, no! I was like a pebble compared to him. Oh! No! This guy. Oh, okay, well, I don't have it. No! Keep picking it up! Whoa! Ow! You friend. Oh! No! Don't hit me with a lollipop! No! He hit me with a lollipop! No! And he... Oh, and they threw me. Don't like the winter animals. Oh, okay, but the winter animals, that's my biggest mother. And then still die. Oh, okay. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Just pick it up. Just pick up the item. Oh, he's good at. Oh, shovel. Shovel. Woohoo! Pick it up. Pick it. No! How did I lose with a shovel? What you get? Beep. Beep. Oh. No! Oh. No, don't use the plunger. No. No, please don't. Oh, you must have a lots of energy now. Whoa! Hey, now whatever are you? Whoa. Oh! He's using some extinct monkey. Oh no! too far to shop. Whoa! Another! Oh, nunchucks! No. Oh! I'm unstoppable! What? Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Oh. No. Get up. No! Okay. No. Let me be in the picture this time. Unlike last time. Let me be in the picture. No! Oh, guys, I'm in the picture. I'm with whatever that is. Okay. April 5th, 12th of 2025. Wow, already April. February was a long month. March was quick. And now we're in April. Okay, woohoo! Just round 2 anyway. Wow! Okay. No! Okay. Whoa! Oh, that was close. Wow! Okay. Whoa! No. Oh! Oh, that. Come on. No! Oh, wait. Help me! He's on my team. Ah! No, get off me! Get off of me! Get off of me, you otter! No! Being touched by a cat. That's all I cats. Oh my jeez, I guess people don't agree. I thought that was a popular opinion. People don't like dogs? Oh my jeez, can I please climb up and survive? So, are you kicking like this? No, my energy's slow! No! Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Help! Oh. Oh, thank you. Helping me up. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Bye-bye, cat. Hey. Okay, calm down, whatever you are. Okay. Whoa! What is that animal? Why did it want to jump off? Oh, guess I can survive if I just climb up. Just get away. Okay, get away. Just get away. Just get off. Please, get off. No! No! Okay. Oof, okay, help me. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a guy. Oh, wow. Oh, I almost died. Oh, help me, help me. Oh, no, no, no. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, please. No, ow. Wait, I've done it before. You can do that. Pick it up, pick it up. Pete. Oh, got these hands. Okay, please help me. Get off. Get away. I never get hit by that taser. Get away. Get away. No. I was so close. I only get hit by a taser once. That the one time. Wait, no, just a closer, please, no, please. It's a plunger on me. Is that a taser? Taser! Oh! No! Oh! Fine, I always get hit by a taser sometime. Oh, use this. Oh, wait. I mean, we tried, and great for them. Well done. Where am I? At least you can see my hoofs. You can see my antlers. Sorry guys, but I'm afraid this is the end of the video. But I hope you have a great day, great month, great life. Bye! See you in the next video.